Nice little youngsters off of the Son of Blizzard. And Shakira, a daughter of new Young Kittel. A few more days before they're weaned off. Nice chunky youngsters, nice and full. Another beautiful youngster off of new Young Blizzard and Shakira. Shakira is a daughter of new Young Kittel. White plates on this one. Beautiful, well-reared youngsters. Two more youngsters from new Young Blizzard and the daughter of Witte Dirk. So they're going to be a red grizzle, and the other one is a grizzle. Lovely, well-reared youngsters. Fat as you like. Another chunky little youngster there from new Young Blizzard, and one of Darren Hunt's hens. Two more beautiful little grizzles there from new Young Blizzard when he was paired to the daughter of Python. There's new Young Blizzard. The hen behind is a daughter of new Young Kittel.